Before repositioning a business, I think leadership teams need to answer 4 important questions. What changes? What stays stable? What must be protected? And what must stop? Those 4 questions sound deceptively simple, but they often reveal where the real repositioning risk sits. It may not sit in the logo, message, or campaign. It may sit in sales confidence, customer continuity, decision rights, pricing proof, team belief, or the old behaviours that leadership has not yet stopped rewarding. That's why I call this the Repositioning Stability Test. It separates movement from destabilisation. Because the issue is rarely that people dislike change in principle. The issue is that people are asked to move before they understand what still holds. And once that becomes clear, repositioning becomes less like a leap into uncertainty and more like a disciplined leadership transition.